Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just going to be doing a chit chat video, kind of just chit chatting. Where did my other hairpin go? I'm just going to pin my bangs out of the way. These bangs never want to grow. Like I cut them back in March and I may have cut them one more time like in June, and since then they haven't grown. So yeah, so I'm just going to add some moisturizer to my face before we begin. I'm going to be using the Skinacademy Zero Day Cream. It just looks like this. This is 100% vegan, natural, all that good stuff. My eyelids are so dry. I used this ColourPop pressed glitter a while ago. It was probably like maybe 2 weeks ago, and it made my eyes super itchy, very dry, and I almost got like a rash on my eyelids. I didn't know that pressed glitters can't be called eyeshadows because technically they're not FDA approved and they're not meant for your eyelids. I was like, oh, that's why my eyelids are super dry and burning. Never again will I be using pressed glitters on my eyelid. I hope I'm not like too close to you guys. I have you guys on my desk. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have a whole new lighting situation going on. I ended up getting a new ring light because the one that I had, I felt like was just giving me, I don't know, like a yellow look, and I didn't want that. I'm just using the Soft Ochre Pro Longwear Paint Pot Concealer by MAC, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelids just to get them all prepped up for eyeshadow. But anyways, I had a ring light before, but I stopped using it, and I decided to just get a new one finally. I just set things up differently. You guys, I have moved my room around like no joke, maybe like 5 times. Every time Mike walks by my room, I'm like moving it around, and he's just like, lighting is such a difficult thing to get. It's crazy how hard it is. And I also thought it was just best to film like this with this background, like just the wall, instead of having like all this other stuff behind me. I just felt like it was too distracting, and I feel like this way, you know, you're focused on what I'm showing you, like the products. Like look how nice and clear that looks. You know, you're just focusing on me and my makeup, but who knows, I may just end up changing things around again. So I want to use this palette today. It's by Sedona Lace, and this is what the inside looks like. Okay, so I will not be using any of these shades down here because again, glitter, and I'm just like staying away from those. So I'm just gonna start off with this shade right here, and I'm just going to pop that into my crease. And I find that my eyeshadows haven't been blending the best recently because my eyelids are just so dry from that pressed glitter that I put on there. So that's kind of annoying. I think after this video, I'm going to have some lunch, and then I'm going to film a hair tutorial because Mike got me this bedhead waver, and you guys, it's so nice. I am in love with it, and I want to show you guys how beautiful it leaves your hair. So I think I'm going to do that this afternoon. I'm going to try to film 2 videos today. This shade is blending out really nicely. It's nice and soft, and there's like no fallout at all. So somebody asked me if I'm at work, if I'm back at work, what I'm doing. I am not back at work. I've been off since July 11th, and I've kind of gotten used to like just being at home. It's kind of weird because I don't really see many other human beings and yeah, it's a little bit weird when I see someone. I'm like, oh look, there's a human out there. I'm just staying at home. I haven't gone back to work. I've been trying to just film, and my views and everything like overall on my channel has gone up, and I want to just thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Even if you don't comment but you just like my videos, I really do appreciate it. And if you have a YouTube channel and you want me to check it out, and you don't have, you know, many subscribers, and you do like makeup videos or I don't know, like hauls or whatever, leave it down below, because I'm always trying to support smaller YouTubers, because I know how hard it is to get subscribers, and I know it's hard to like, you put so much effort into your videos and then nobody watches them. So I know the feeling when you just feel like, what's the point? So let me know if you make videos. I would love to check your channel out. I think I'm going to take this dark shade right up here, this like chocolatey brown, and I'm going to put that in my crease. I think I'm going to grab a mirror because I can't really see what I'm doing. I need to get close. By the way, I made this many years ago. Isn't it cute? So pretty. See, like my eyelid is so dry. The eyeshadow is like really clinging to the dry spots. I'm just going to take that fluffy brush I used at the start and just go over the top part of that dark shadow just to blend it all out. I don't know, I kind of miss working, even though for me this is work, because this does take a lot of time, and the editing, the filming, just setting up, but I do enjoy doing it. So I wish I could do this full time and this be my job, but you never know. Maybe one day. Okay, so once that's all nicely blended, I'm just gonna take this shade right here. It's like a little shimmery gold orangey shade, and I'm just going to put that on the inner part of my lid. I'm not bringing it all the way, I'm just stopping like right here. I'm going to add another shimmer. I think I'm gonna do this green. I'm gonna take this green shade right here because I want it to match my shirt, and I'm just gonna flip the brush over and use the other side that I didn't use. Let me use my finger and see if that makes a difference. Oh yeah, it totally does. Okay, and I'm gonna take that gold shimmery shade and blend it in with the green a little bit, just so it all blends in seamlessly. I'm taking the other shimmery green that's in the palette, and I'm gonna pop that over top. I think I'm gonna get rid of that gold. I don't like that gold. I think that looks way better. I'm thinking of taking this and popping it on my outer V. Let's see how that'll look. Instead of using that brown, just mixing it in instead. Yes, okay, I like that way better. I'm just pretty much just going to be adding the green to the outer V And then I'm going to add some more of that brown into my crease just so that it all blends in really nicely. And then I'm going to take this light shade right here from the palette and I'm just going to add that to my brow bone. Now I know this part looks messy. I'm going to clean it up. Just give me a second. Okay, so it's time for liner. I'm just using the NYX Epic Ink liner. Bam. So I went ahead and added some gold shimmer to my lid. I just used the Top Yacht Chrome paint pot. I'm going very lightly just so that the green still pops through. Okay, I want to use these lashes, but they're so big, so I don't know if I should. They're from Shop Miss A in the style Brianna, so they just look like this. You guys hear my stomach? Oh man, I'm hungry. You guys liking this eye look? I don't know. I feel like my eyelids are just so dry. Well, it looks okay, I guess. Let me just continue and do, like, I almost don't want to continue this. Let's just keep going and see what happens. For a primer today, I'm just going to be using the MAC Natural Radiance Base Lumiere. I'm so hungry, my stomach. Oh, by the way, oh my god, I can't believe I'm forgetting to tell you guys this. So today I made an appointment to have my mole looked at. I'm thinking of having it removed. I noticed that it's growing and it's almost like drooping down now, where before it was like a perfect circle and now I just feel like it's almost like a little teardrop. And I'm obviously a little bit worried, and I also find that it's kind of like cracking a little bit. So I made an appointment to have it looked at and see what they say. Hopefully that's, you know, nothing cancerous or anything like that. I'm thinking of just having it removed. I don't know if I'll have to go see a dermatologist or what, but I'm just gonna have my doctor have a look at it and see if it can be removed. I've had this little guy on my face since I was like maybe 10, I think. And it used to be way smaller than this, but throughout the years, I've just noticed that it has gotten bigger. I don't mind having it, but it's just, you know, it's getting big. I'm just using the Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation, by the way. It just looks like this. And I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige. So I have an appointment at the end of October, and let me know if you guys want me to like maybe document it. Let me know if you've had any moles removed. Did it leave a scar? That's what I'm also worried about, is like, is it gonna heal nicely? Because it is like pretty big and I don't know how it will heal. So a little bit nervous about that as well. I feel like it's gonna be weird, like not having it, because I'm just used to having it on my face, and I just can't picture myself not having it because I don't really remember ever not having it. I'm just going to be taking my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage concealer in the shade Light Medium. I finally ordered some concealer because I am completely out. I want to also do like an empties video, so hopefully you guys would want to see that. Oh I'm trying to hurry because my camera's blinking. So I'm probably gonna have to stop and charge it up a little bit. I don't know why. Oh, maybe because I'm using a different mic today. I'm using the Rode mic and it's connected to my camera. Usually I wear the one that's on my shirt, but that's connected to the camera too. And as always, I'm just going to be setting my concealer and my foundation with my Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder. I'm just gonna take that first shade that I used in the palette and mix it with this dark shade up here and run that on my lash line. I'm going to do my bronzer. I'm gonna use my NYX bronzer. I'm not going to do the Milani Glow that I usually do because I've noticed that it kind of makes me look like, I don't know, weird. I'm just taking Milani's Dulce Pink blush, and I'm just going to dust that on my cheekbones, just like so. For highlighter today, I'm going to be using, I'm going to use this one. I love this one, it's so good. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. And I'm also going to just pop that in my inner corners. I want to do a nice red lip today. Well, close to red, but not red, but close. Okay. And for my liquid lipstick today, I'm just going to be using this one from Milani. This is the Amore Matte Lip Cream in Loved. And these smell so good. They smell like vanilla frosted cupcakes. I'm very tempted to add like a nude shade in the middle, but I won't. Okay, I'm going to just fix my hair and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the final makeup look. I am so glad I didn't give up and I kept going because I struggled in this video and I was actually thinking like, oh my God, this is gonna turn out really bad, but I think it came together really nicely. I am loving these long eyelashes. I'm definitely not used to wearing long eyelashes like this, but I think they look really pretty, and I'm also loving this red lip. I feel like I should wear a red lip more often. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching even though I struggled, but thank you so much for all your love and support as always. Don't forget to thumbs up this video before you leave and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, I'm gonna go eat something because as you could tell throughout the video, my stomach was just out of control. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.